Okay. In 2007, the African YMCA, we decided to go for the African Renaissance because we believe that YMCA can contribute to the African Renaissance. And in this process, we started a program in the YMCA. But we say the YMCA alone cannot do the Renaissance. We need more, we need a bigger group. We need to reach scale. So the idea of the university came because we have big capacity gap. So this university, we thought about it first to train more people to work for YMCA so that we have more skill. But also we want it to be open to other people who work with young people. Initially we were talking about youth workers alone. But in the process we realized that those who make decisions, those who are in different places of administration, they also need. Why? Because we want our unique selling point to be around the Renaissance. So what make us think differently from what we are being through? Because as you know, our education system came from the West. So we learn from the West, but how can we African come to the point where we find our solution for ourselves? So one of the unique selling point of this university will be African, be able to find African solution for African problem, so that we don't always go to the West. So to do that is so important that we are clear about what we want to do and who is the focus. Our, we are still focusing on young people um, in the YMCA, in other organizations, but we are trying to reach out to the decision makers. Uh, where are we today? Not very far, but we are far in terms of our own thinking. We did a lot of work to clarify. We did first a feasibility study. We had the help with Dr. Barbara Shellhammer and Eric Shellhammer. They came to Africa, interviewed people, helped to know what are the people expectations in terms of this university. And after that, we went to the think tank, and this think tank was to say, what do we do in terms of the leadership skill we wanted to have? So we were planning about YMCA Leadership Academy. This will be only for the YMCA people, and then we have the university themselves. And we also clarify that we want to be in the three geographic zones of the continent, one in the west, one in the east, and one in the south. So the plan will be one campus will be specialized in social studies, another in the economic studies, and another one in the political studies, but we are not yet there. So last year what we did is to have a big workshop. We brought a lot of key people, experts to help us in defining the business plan of this university, and also to start doing the curriculum. What will be the content of the curriculum so that we can go for accreditation. So we are almost ready with the business plan and the curriculum, and there is a group of people working on the accreditation process, and another group of people working to finalize the curriculum. So already we started this academy. So every year we train the National General Secretary, we are training all the program secretary. Last year we trained the finance people, and this is the YMCA part. So we have this curriculum when we are training them more systematically about what are the skills they need in terms of moving forward. So once we will finalize this curriculum and we'll be able to get the accreditation, we think the school can be running. We get some work be done in Togo, where one of the campus will be. We renovate some facility, but we don't want this university to be a classic university, because if you want to break the pattern, we want to change also the way we do it. So nowadays young people learn online, they have different way. So there will be some physical where people can meet time to time, but most of the time people will be learning in their normal job, in their normal way of doing it. So I could say so far we are setting up the infrastructure, we are finalizing our thinking, we are fine-tuning our thinking, but we have advanced a lot from the beginning. It's only 3 years now, but we have made a lot of progress, and we hope to continue to make such progress. And I would like to thank the support from the YMCA, the Castle University, and we are partnering with them with the studies, because there is a course on S2C, from subject to citizen, and we are going to do it, and we hope to do it this year in Kenya. So thank you, YMCA Castle University, for supporting us for doing that.